Jainam Software. In this video, we are going to understand loan approval process related loan numbers. Alright, so in master setup and setting, make sure that this setting loan app creation to follow approval process, it has set to yes, and you will find that in category general. Okay, now I just search customer and then click loan. Okay, in fact I can create a product scheme here so that I don't have to type all the details. Okay, so it's like 100 days loan. Okay, rate of interest, let's say 2% monthly interest with principal, and this is for 100 days. Okay, I click save. Now I search customer and click loan, select scheme, enter amount 10,000, and I click save. So one loan is created. Again I search customer, loan, enter 5,000, save, and third loan. I created three loans actually because I have to explain the features related to the loan configuration. Okay, so three loans. Now I go here and loan approval. I can see 30,000 is pending in new request. I click here. Now you can see loan number is to be decided. Okay, so what I do is I can go and any loan like in any order. I just go here and just say approved and click change status. Now I refresh here. I get this approved, and now you can see loan number 1 is generated. Okay, so as soon as I approve the loan number will get generated, but I cannot search that loan because it is not yet disbursed. Okay, so I come back here and here, and I just say, okay, one important thing before I disperse. Now I go to new request, and for this loan again I change the status to approved and clicks yes. Now if I come, this was loan number, this was for 15,000. Okay, so for this 15,000 the loan number 2 is generated. Okay, and for here loan number 1 is generated. I cannot search 1 or 2. Now I disperse this loan manually. I click disperse. Now loan number 1 is created. I can search 2 here because it is dispersed, but I cannot search 1 because it is not yet dispersed. Okay, so it means when you follow loan approval process, the loan number is generated as soon as you approve the loan. Okay, and let's see, let's try to delete that loan, the loan number 2, and delete. Okay, now let's see what will happen. Okay, whether it will generate loan number 2 or loan number 3 this time. Okay, so I click here. So for example, if I go here in approval and then disburse manually, it will still generate loan number 1. But I want to try what will happen for the new loan, whether it will create loan number 2 or loan number 3. So I click and approve, change status, and just search. So loan number 1, and then this is loan number 2. So it will take loan number 2 actually, it will not take loan number 3 because loan number 2 which was created earlier, it is deleted now and it will take loan number 2 now. Okay, what I do, I just disperse this, it's loan number 2, and disperse this loan number 1. So there's nothing in my loan approval queue, and I can see in status report which will be active as soon as it will be active for loans actually. So I created two loans, loan 1, loan 2. Okay, I can search loan number 1, it's working fine, and I can search loan number 2, it's again working fine. Okay, if I delete loan number 1, yes, now there is a gap. Now I can search on loan 2, but loan 1 I cannot search. Now it is a gap actually. If I create new loan, okay, Now it will go in approval, and here if I just, it's not, so I have loan number 2 already created. Okay, so here I can search loan number 2 and I just deleted loan number 1. Now what will happen if I approve this loan? This will be loan number 3, not loan number 1. This will be loan number 3. Okay, because what will happen in the system, it will not find the gaps. Actually it will only take the last loan number, which is the active loan number or at least approved loan number, and then it will create the next loan number. Okay, and here I can disburse this loan, disburse loan number 3. In case you want to basically fill the gaps, okay, you can always go in master setup and correction, and always change loan number, let's say 3 to loan number 1. Okay, change loan number 3 to 1. Yes, now it will take little longer because it has to do a lot of processing based on the automated system. It will correct all the transactions and everything properly, and then it will generate that loan. It will convert from loan 3 to loan 1. Okay, so we'll wait for a couple of seconds. All right, it's done. Now we can see loan number 1 is there and loan number 2 is there, and there is no loan number 3 now. All right, thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.